Welcome to this quick video about the Salesforce Partner Community. The Salesforce Partner Community for me is a place where people who use Salesforce around the world connect, collaborate, and learn from each other. Salesforce is one of those platforms where it changes every day, and so our learning happens really in an accelerated fashion. And so by typing in Salesforce Partner Community in Google, you will be automatically taken to this platform. I'm going to be giving you some broad brushstrokes that will help you make sense of what the partner community is all about. First things first, the partner community is people-based. What that means is that this is a place where we can come together and connect, collaborate, and learn from each other. All right. So first things first, we have the App Exchange partners and the consultants. And so when we talk about a partner, we talk about an organization, a company. And when we talk about a consultant, we're generally talking about a group of people. Sometimes they're freelancers who work independently, right? So that's what Salesforce means by a partner and a consultant. When we talk about this page, I'm going to be skipping around a little bit. And the reason being is that I want to give you a broad overview. And by clicking collaboration, business, and featured groups, it'll actually take you into the back end of the partner community and ask us to sign up. I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. But let me just quickly go forward and show you my favorite page, which is the education page. As I've mentioned, Salesforce updates, we have Lightning, we have Classic, and so the education page on this site helps immensely with just really getting some Salesforce basics, some Lightning basics. And so when you need to learn, this is a great place to come. In fact, I am digging into this documentation quite often just to see what it is that's new, what's happening, so I can be on top of it. I also read up quite often on the certifications that are available so I can take advantage of them. The more certifications, the higher my negotiating skills, both with a client and with my existing company. I can also look at some news and events, and this is where Salesforce posts upcoming events. You can see a calendar of some events that are coming up. You can also look at some past events, and these are a great way to just connect around Salesforce. And I tell you, over these conversations, some things that I've been working on for a while just make sense, and so that's really, really awesome. And so what happens is once you connect and you log in, you will be taken to a page that looks similar to this, right? It'll ask you whether you want to be a partner or what kind of partner programs Salesforce offers. I've skipped all of that and taken you straight to some of the program offerings. Let's quickly take a look at the App Exchange program real quick. When you look at the App Exchange program, you can get some App Exchange ideas. You can benchmark yourself and talk about what success looks like. You can get to know more about the partnership program, and you can even sign up to the newsletter. And this really helps you get a sense of what being a partner to Salesforce is all about, right? And essentially, remember, being a partner is one part. The other part of this, however, is being a consultant. So let's take a look at what Salesforce offers you. First things first, it offers a range of products that you can access. Okay, and so you can click this to get a sense of an overview of those products. You can also access information about certifications, and these are huge in terms of your ability to serve different clients' needs. The more certifications you have, as I've mentioned, increases your value and increases your cost to the customer. One thing I really like about this is an overview of the Salesforce economy. And so you can really join some of these networks where they specifically focus on how to be a successful consultant. And part of this video is sort of helping you get a sense of the resources out there. But as you click on, for example, join these networks, you will network with other consultants, and they have some incredible resources that you can access. Some of those resources are their marketing, how they negotiate contracts, ways in which they value their time and their expertise. And these kind of insights are really, really helpful. Okay, let's look at some general topics real quick. This is where you get the A to Z of everything that you would hope to know about, right? We have the crux, the now DMP. We have the Service Cloud. But what I would recommend for you is to just look at these categories. All right, look at certifications, some of the branding guides that you would need for some of your manuals, for example. Looking at the latest releases, your partner program information, and so this general topics guide can be a great resource for you as you go through. You can even join some of the groups that are available for Salesforce. So back to the homepage. I'm illuminating this resource for you because it's an exciting resource that I've used quite often. I've connected, I've made some really good close friends even on this platform who have helped me immensely in both my professional and personal life. And I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to be a Salesforce consultant.